How to fix Zoom error code 3003 in Windows. Fix 1. Correct the meeting link format. Ensuring the link is correctly formatted is essential for successful access to Zoom meetings. If that didn't work, open your browser. Go to Zoom web portal and log in with your credentials. Now go to Settings and pick the Meeting tab at the top. Look for Schedule Privilege section. If that didn't work, designating a co-host in Zoom can help manage meetings more efficiently and can also resolve certain link-related issues.